Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 56 of my 90-day challenge. Today I'll talk about something essential for any business, tools that will help you succeed. Over the past 8 weeks I've been using some incredible resources that had made a huge difference in my overall productivity. So I want to share with you some of these tools that I've been using recently, but some that I've been using since I open my business or even from before. For team collaboration, I use Flock. If you work with a team, communication is key, and Flock is a fantastic collaboration tool that allows for instant messaging, video calls, share file, all in one place. It's like having a virtual office, which is essential for digital business. A tip: utilize the powerful search function, so it will help you to find past conversation and files very easily. Second one, password management. I use LastPass. Let's face it, remembering tons of passwords, it's a nightmare. And LastPass is a lifesaver. It stores all your passwords, logins, make access to different platforms very easy. A tip: enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. My third area, project management. I'm a project manager, but as a business owner, you need to be organized. So keeping track of all the projects can be overwhelming. That's where Trello comes in. It's like a digital whiteboard where you can create boards, lists, tasks, organize them, organize your deadlines, assign them to different people, visualize your workflow. So amazing good. A tip: utilize the drag and drop functionality and will easily move tasks between stages, between assignments. Fourth one, design magic. If you don't have a graphic designer paid, no problem. Canva is the one-stop shop for creating stunning visuals. I actually love this tool. From social media posts to videos and even ad designs, Canva gives you thousands of customizable templates for any project, any taste. Tip: explore the Canvas library of free stock photos and videos, and you'll be amazed. Next one, social media on autopilot, right? We have a digital business, and as much as I love creating content and being online, there are days when I don't want to do anything. So saving time on social media scheduling is a game changer. Tailwind is what I use. It allows you to schedule your posts in advance across multiple platforms, maximizing your reach and engagement. So leverage Tailwind's analytics to see which type of posts best perform with your audience. You'll be amazed. Next one, the video editing. Creating engaging video content is crucial these days. I use CapCut, free user-friendly video editing app that lets you add transition, text, music, anything to your video. An useful tip: experiment with CapCut's editing tools to create clips for your audience. It has a lot of free tools for editing the transitions. And last but not least, the teleprompter power. Speaking on camera can be nerve-wracking, like I do it right now. So teleprompter apps display your pre-written script on your phone screen, allow you to have a clear and more confident presentation. As a tip, practice reading the teleprompter beforehand, so to see how your delivery is. So these are just some of the incredible tools that have helped me along this journey. Share what are your favorite business tools. I would love to get some tips from you. See you day 57 tomorrow.